What's up, everybody? Let's talk about an update to the California Smog Check program. What you are looking at is the California Bureau of Automotive Repair website, more specifically the Smog Check program frequently asked questions page. If you scroll down almost to the bottom, you will find this brand new section regarding modified software. Let's read it. Beginning July 19, 2021, vehicles with software not provided by the original equipment manufacturer, also known as OEM, or approved through a California Air Resources Board Executive Order, also known as CARB-EO, will fail smog check. Let's look at the modified software checks page. According to this page, this regulation should have been implemented on January the 1st, 2013. That means that this regulation code was written before 2013. We should have seen this change coming. If you would like the original text of this regulation, you can find it in the BAR Laws and Regulations Reference Book, section 3340.42.2, down in number 8. So why now? The regulations have been in place since 2013, but the state did not have the technology to implement this regulation. Well, now they do. So what is this software that they're talking about? Starting about 1991, cars in California were equipped with an onboard diagnostics computer system that communicates with the engine. This includes a port that is usually under the dash that communicates with the car's computer. Here is an example of what the computer hardware looks like inside of your car. The software in the computer is programmed to operate the engine at a specific fuel efficiency. Here's an example of a software program that allows you to reprogram the way the engine runs. In California, OBD-equipped vehicles get smog checked through the OBD system. Older vehicles not equipped with OBD system get smog checked through the tailpipe, also known as the sniffer test. If your car supports OBD, the California Smog Check Station will check your computer's software using the OBD port. And your software either has to be the original software that came with the car when it was made, or if your software is modified, it needs to be CARB approved and have a CARB-EO number. If you don't have either of these two, you will fail the smog check and you will need to restore the software on your car's computer. I was a little worried at first because I purchased the Honda reflash for my Acura TSX about 9 years ago. This reflash reprogrammed my car's computer. So my car does not have the OEM software. I went to the Honda website and it looks like the software tune has a CARB-EO number. I searched it online. Here's what it looks like. It was CARB approved back in 2017. So here we are, July 24. I take my Acura TSX to get smogged and it passed. So what do my Californians think about this new regulation? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one.